got pig brain and fish eggs. I don't know which one's which, so I'm just gonna open it up and try. Not sure which one this is. Alright. So I think this one is pig brain. We'll just go ahead and try some. Has a nice meaty texture, like some fish. Alright, you ready? It's not bad. Tastes kind of like fish texture, but it doesn't have a strong taste. And the fish egg, do you break this open? Or just eat? Not bad. I think the pig brain tastes better. The pig brain. I feel smarter already. Something harder. Some skull. Just some skull, no problem. Alright, as you can see, we finished the pig brain and we didn't throw it under the table. So we did in fact finish it. When we bought the pig brain, the lady was like, "Are you sure it's pig brain?" And then we're like, "Yes, you want?" She said, "Okay, I will give you, but no refunds." It was only 33 cents, same as the fish egg. But the pig brain is actually a lot better than the fish egg.